Hard surfaces is one of the most common areas that Ecokleen gets used. Every hard surface changes. Every hard surface has a different consistency, and there are factors to consider. If we have a look at this hard surface, which I'm going to demonstrate Ecokleen to you now, you will note that there are demarcated areas which have been painted. The problem with demarcated areas is that degreasers can react to them, causing them to deteriorate a lot faster than what they should. Ecokleen has been designed to have zero impact on painted surfaces and demarcated areas. It also has been designed to not react with the concrete flooring that we're going to be cleaning here today. In this application, you will notice that we have the floor contaminated with oil, grease, we have vehicles that move in and out here, we have tire marks. So it is an area that has got a high volume of traffic and that needs to be cleaned regularly. Again, if you use a product that leaves a residue on the surface, the area will get dirtier a lot quicker than normal. Ecokleen, when we clean with Ecokleen, we will not leave a residue surface. Again, over and above the cleanliness of the surface, there is also a safety factor. When we don't leave a residue on the surface, an oily residue, it reduces slip and fall hazards. What we're going to do in this application, because we have a runoff area with drainage, Ecokleen is designed to be used in automatic devices such as pressure washers or floor scrubbers. Because the product does not have an impact on the internal components of these devices, it also does not perish the plastic hosing, the piping, the lance on the pressure washer, therefore making it safe to use in these kinds of devices. The other benefit of using Ecokleen in automated devices is that the consumption of degreaser gets reduced largely. So from a cost efficiency perspective, Ecokleen will last you longer when you automate these devices. From a performance perspective, the product is more agitated, so it works better. And from an efficiency perspective, you will be able to clean a lot quicker. So it is the ideal solution for large surface areas, forecourts, large workshop areas, applications such as that. The way that we're going to clean here is we have already mixed Ecokleen into the chemical compartment of the pressure washer. The pressure washer is set so that we can apply the degreaser. Once we've applied the degreaser and run it over the floor, we will then do a slight agitation with the broom. It's not generally necessary, but for this demonstration, we will demonstrate the agitation, and thereafter we will rinse the surface off and watch it dry and look at how clean the floor is.